Yo, this boy come like a new stone boy. Are you the guy that Stone Boy endorsed? Are you the guy from Asylum? Scorsese?
Me I put him by your asset here, so
look like me hear about him.
Yeah, man.
Are you Scorsese, the same guy we got on TV3?
Yes.
Oh, Brooklyn! Alright. Yo, put him by your asset.
Straight away, man. Stonzy. Make sure I say you link me up, yeah? After you. Alright?
Yo, my girl. Oh, show some love for me, show some love.
Show some love for them. Show some love for them. And I think these are the winners for the night.
Yeah. Big up yourself. My name is Mr. Lauchi. My name is King Legacy. Thank you very much. Good night.
Respect the brothers. Easy does it.